We've heard many times it's up to an officer's discretion. When you have emotional intelligence, your discretion is going to be more humanistic in approach, is it not? It's not going to be one of just sort of black and white.
Yes, in my police experience, Michaela, I've been confronted at least 8 times with a suspect with a confirmed knife, gun, or stick. And yes, per standard operating procedure, I had the right to take that person's life, okay? I had the right to use force because I was in fear. But when I took 2 to 7 seconds and took a pause, I was able to get back up the ladder, climb the ladder, back to confidence. I was able to de-escalate the call, and guess what? I was able to get them to drop the weapon. And I saved their life, protecting sanctity of life. Because sanctity of life is important. My life's important, but so is that suspect. So why don't we just take a breath, take a pause, de-escalate a little bit, and let's use our emotional intelligence, and let's get emotional intelligence tools in the hands of the police officer.
You know what? To be honest, I think all of us could use some of that, especially when we're in traffic or when we're flying. All of us could use some more emotional intelligence. Linda Webb, I wish you well with this. It sounds as though you've been making some terrific headway, and we hope that there is more to be had. And I hope cities and counties and states will lean on you and your peers. Thanks for joining me today.